Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a get to know me tag. Tinag to sa akin ni KeiTi Licious. Maraming salamat KeiTi Licious sa pagtag sa akin. Thank you so much. So I have 30 question. So at the end of this video, I'm going to tag like I forgot 10 person. So stay tuned for the very end of this video. I'm going to tag a 10 person to do this get to know me tag. Hello KeiTi Licious, thank you for tagging me. So okay, nakatayo lang tayo ngayon guys ha. Standing position tayo ngayon. Gusto ko yung regular lighting sa sinet up ko yung camera sa harap ng window. So mag-start na tayo guys ng get to know me tag question. Actually this is a 30 question. So start na tayo sa number 1. Where did you grow up? I grew up in the Philippines, province of Bicol, Albay. So yun, doon ako lumaki sa maliit na probinsya ng Bicol, guys. Hello sa mga taga Bicol dyan. So number 2, where did you currently live? Right now, I live with my husband here in America, in Colorado. Kasi I married my husband and he live here in America. And let's move on to number 3. Number 3, who is your first best friend? So my first best friend of course is my mom, my mother. Yun yung pinakauna ko talagang best friend na palagi kong tinatanong kachikahan. Yun yung my first best friend, my mom. So number 4, what theme park have you been to? Actually, I haven't been to the park, like the big park. I remember we went to Tagaytay. They have those kind of like small park there. They have like Ferris wheel, zip line. So that's the park that I remember. We went to Tagaytay Park. So question number 5. Dogs or cats? Dogs. I like dogs. Sorry, I like dog. If I'm gonna get a dog, I'm gonna get husky. They're really cute. I like husky. So dog. Number 6, funniest moment throughout high school. Actually, when my shoes like came off the bottom of my shoes. I don't know how do you call that. Yung natanggal yung swelas ng sapatos ko. Tapos, buong school wala akong sapatos. Tinanggal ko talaga yung sapatos ko kasi nasira yung heels ng sapatos ko. So, that's it. Funniest moment throughout high school. Yung natanggal yung heels ng sapatos ko. Kaloka sa kalagitnaan ng school. So, number 7 na tayo. Number 7, guys. How many countries have you traveled to? I think 1 here. This is my first time travel to the countries here in America. So, yep, 1. So, number 8. Nasaan na ba tayo? Number 8 na tayo. Wala ako guys sorry, na full yung memory card ko. So, kailangan kong nag-delete muna ako. Number 8. Question number 8. What do you do in your free time? Ooh. What do you do in what I did on my free time is most of the time I spend more time on my YouTube channel and Instagram. So, yun lang yung yun yung time na ginagawa ko pag may extra time ako, watching vlogs on YouTube sa mga kaibigan natin dyan, and also spending time with my husband. Yun yung ginagawa ko pag Yun yung ginagawa ko ng free time ko. I spend more times to my husband, social media, Instagram, YouTube. So, yun lang. So, question number 9. What is your favorite drink? Water and coffee. Oh, no, not coffee. Coffee is drink, right? I don't know. What is my favorite drink is water and hot tea or cold tea. Yan. So, number 10. What is one thing you wish people know about you? Very shy. Mahiyain ako, guys. Kahit konting sometimes, for example, I confused, like I don't know what to do. I'm just to ask a simple question, like kind of like took me a while to ask question because I'm shy. That's it, shy. And number 11, question number 11, question number 11, you're wearing perfume, what scent is it? Sorry guys, I don't use perfume kasi every time I smell perfume, I don't know, maybe I not get used to it because I never wear perfume at all. So every time I smell perfume, it give me dizzy a little bit and sneeze a lot. So basically, no perfume for me. Parang tinadhana ata kami ni Dan kasi si Dan he didn't use perfume too. He hates smell of perfume. So no perfume, guys. I don't use perfume. So question number 12. Oh, this is kind of hard. Question number 12 is tea or coffee? Both, guys. I love coffee, I love tea, so yeah. Coffee and tea. I love those. And 13, what are your goal? What 13, question number 13, what are your life goals? My life goals is to pay our mortgage so that we don't have to worry paying it every month, and save money for my retirement as well, and also for my family. That's my goal, life goal. Save money for my retirement. Question number 14, what sport do you play or have you played? Volleyball. I play volleyball when I in high school, in school. So now question number 15, what social media are you addicted to? What social media I'm addicted to? Instagram and YouTube. That's all. That's it. I sometimes I don't spend much time in Facebook. I spend more time Instagram and YouTube. So question number 16, what is your favorite movie? Ooh, good question. My favorite movie is Game of Thrones, Harry Potter, and Lord of the Ring. Those three. I love those movies. Yay! And 17 na tayo, guys. Who are your favorite YouTuber? So my favorite YouTubers is you guys. So, and what else? You always watch YouTube. KeiTi Licious and Philip Franco. That's all I watch YouTube, like the two things that I always watch. Mga beauty vlogger, bihira lang eh. Wala akong masyadong favorite. Maybe Unclots and Purple Rays and Anna K and Say Checo. That's it. So question number 18, do you speak any language? How well is it? Do you speak any language and how well? Oh my god. Yes, I speak Tagalog, Bicol, because I grew up in Bicol, so of course Bicol, Tagalog, and English. But I'm not very good in English yet. I'm still like learning speaking English language, so let's say 2.5. Bicol, Tagalog, and English. English is not very good yet, okay? So what next? Question number 13. No, I'm sorry. Question number 19. Are you single or taken? Of course I'm taken. I'm married to my husband Dan. So yeah. And question number 20. What is your idea of your dream date? Ooh, dream date. Actually, I don't like dating outside. It's just, for me, I'm okay with spending more time at home, like spending with your loved one, like cook his favorite food. What else? I'm kind of prepared, just spend time with your loved one at home. So yeah, I'm not kind of like person like going out, like, hey, we're gonna go date, let's go to the restaurant and like go date to the whatever. Just I would like spending more time with my loved one home. And what is question 21 is, how long was your longest relationship? My longest relationship, I remember that was like after I graduated high school, maybe like I'm 19 years old or 20. I have first boyfriend 20 years old, maybe 21, so maybe it doesn't last long, maybe like 6 months. Yeah, 6 months. We'll see, 6 months. I don't remember. It was like, it's been a long time. And question number 22. What is the biggest struggle you overcome? Biggest struggle that I overcome? I don't know. Right now, I was struggling because kind of like I'm start learning how to edit on my computer. So I don't know how to use computer, so I always struggling playing with my computer. So I think that's my biggest struggling you overcome, maybe. I don't know. Oh, struggle. Yeah, that's it. I have no idea. So, question 23 na tayo, guys. What is your go-to hairstyle? I have two go-to hairstyle, straight and then like cut it in the other side, and second one is like curl it, like wavy curl. I like those, especially Dan like those style of wavy curly hair for me. So like cute. And 24, yay, malapit na tayong matapos, guys. Question 24, have you ever failed at anything and what did you learn from it? Ooh, yes, I failed. Management want me to take a management test, and then I try it for like for my job. They want me to be a department manager, and I tried the test and I didn't pass it, so I think that's it. I didn't pass the test. It's kind of hard. I don't know. Kind of confusing questions. So oh well, I learned something. And what number na tayo? So question 25, yay, malapit na tayo. What is your go-to fast food order? In the Philippines, Jollibee, but here McDonald's here in America. And question 26, what is the craziest thing you have done? Oh, I don't know. Yung nakipag-away ako sa anak ng kapitbahay namin. Talagang grabe talaga. Talagang inaway ko talaga yung anak niya. Kasi may kwento yun na ayaw niya akong padaanin, hinaharangan niya ako. So, inaway ko talaga yung anak niya. Tapos, yung nanay, pumunta sa bahay. Reklamo sa nanay ko, bakit ko daw sinaktan yung anak niya. Tapos, yun, yung nanay ko, gusto akong paluin kasi nga nagalit siya kasi nga sinugod yung nanay ko ng kapitbahay namin. So, ayun, sa sobrang takot ko, nagtago ako sa nanay ko, hindi ako nagpakita ng buong araw. Yun ata yung craziest na things na nagawa ko, yung inaway ko yung anak ng kapitbahay namin. So, yeah, that's it. Next. What question we have? Oh, yay, question 27 na tayo, guys. Your question 27, your most memorable vacation memory. So we went to Boracay twice with my boss because I worked in Manila before. So my boss always go to vacation. So that's my most memorable vacation in Boracay. We went twice. So yun yung na-experience ko. Nakapunta ako ng Boracay. Nakita ko yung Boracay kung paano siya kaganda. Yung beach, yung place, and everything. That's my memorable vacation memory. I went twice to Boracay. So, question 28. What are your morning, evening routines? Morning routines. After I wake up, I just go straight to the shower. That's it. And the evening routine, wash my face. Evening routine after when I'm home already from work, take off my makeup, wash my face, and put night moisturizer. That's it. Just like regular normal cleaning your face. Get off all the makeup, wash my face, and put moisturizer on. Excuse me, I'm burping. Question 29 na tayo, guys. Yay! Question 29. Do you have any bad habits? No, I don't know. Bad habit? Social media. Since I got on social media like Instagram, I just like scrolling. Naubos yung time ko, yun yung bad habit ko. Like almost like every day. Social media. So, question 30. Yay! Tell us one thing about you that we didn't know. Tell us one thing about you what we didn't know. Maybe I'm kind of like a person like tahimik, mahiyain. Hindi pala social sa ibang tao. Gusto ko lang yung mag-isa lang, ganun. Hindi ako pala join na hey, basta hindi ako pala social na tao. So kind of like I want to be like just alone. That's it. And yeah, that's all the 30 question, guys. I'm gonna put link down below. The link of KeiTi Licious channel. If you want to subscribe her, go ahead. And if you want to check her out, go ahead. Thank you so much, KeiTi Licious, for tagging me. And so ngayon, guys, magtatag ako ng 10 person for the get to know me tag. So here we go again, guys. So pumili ako ng 10 na tao para itag ko rin, para gawin nyo rin tong tag, get to know me tag. Ayan. So number 1 is you're in the spot, Queen Jezebel. Number 2, Love CG. 3, Rona Singleton. I don't know if I say it right. Correct me, guys. Number 4, Sassy Kia Princess. I don't know if I say it right. 5, Yum Yum Created. Number 6, Christina T. Number 7, Chris's Channel. Number 8, Jen Tape. Number 9, Miss YouTube World. And number 10, Mary Ann Sasaki. So yep, that's it, guys, for today's get to know me tag question. I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much, KeiTi Licious, for tagging me. And I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye, everyone.